Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and I have to say I am absolutely pumped because we're on day 12. You keep hitting the button and let's get going. All right, looks like you guys are raring to go, so I'm just going to hand you over to Coach Robin, and she's going to take you on the next day.
Hey guys, it's Friday, and you know what that is? That's rest day. So you know what to do, rest or do a little workout. But before you do that, why don't you give me a couple minutes, and I'm going to talk to you about proper running apparel, all right? So I'm going to wait for that plane to finish going by and that motorcycle. Anyway, all right. So I talked to you last Friday about proper shoes, and I briefly mentioned running socks also because they're very, very important to get running socks that have no cotton in them, because cotton absorbs moisture and that causes blistering. Well, the same thing can happen on your body, and lots of things can happen. So anything that I wear is moisture wicking apparel. And so this is all moisture wicking. My shirt is, my shorts are, even my underwear are. And for women, my sports bra definitely is. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about sports bras in a minute. But anyway, there are different levels of moisture wicking out there, and just with everything else, you know, you get what you pay for. So I'm not telling you to go out and spend a lot of money, but I mean, if you buy a moisture wicking shirt for $15 versus say $30, there's going to be different properties in there that you will find. You will find, so the more you spend, you might find softer material. You might find softer seams, really is what I'm talking about, because seams can start chafing the more you run. You know, the more movement there is and the more possibility for chafing can happen. So, you know, try some things, see how it works for you, but you want to make sure that it doesn't have cotton in it, that it's made specifically for working out, and that, you know, it's all synthetic materials. Okay, there are some natural materials like bamboo out there that's really good. For those of you in winter climates, there's definitely really, really good pieces of apparel you can get that will keep you nice and warm without having to wear like 6 layers. Okay, so I don't think really anybody has to worry about winter apparel right now, but if you do, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll make sure I address that. But also the difference in materials will be how quickly it dries. So when you're out there and you're sweating and you get all wet, you know, it might be running apparel, but better running apparel will actually dry quicker. So you're going to be much more comfortable. The wetness and the rubbing, that's what causes the chafing. And in the winter time, the wetness is what keeps you cold. So you definitely in the wintertime want to make sure you get stuff that dries really quickly. Even though it's moisture wicking, it might not dry so quickly. So, you know, there's a lot to it. I just want to make you aware. I am happy to answer any questions that you have. You know, I love answering questions. And I'm going to talk a little bit about sports bras for women. They're very, very, very important. To me, it's the second most important piece of equipment you can have when working out. First are the shoes, and then for women, it's the sports bra. And I don't care what size you are, large, small, we all bounce. And it's really, really important not to bounce. Not only is it uncomfortable, but there are ligaments right here that, you know, if you don't have the right support, and these ligaments get stretched, you can't fix it. Okay, so let's not stretch them out. Let's get the proper fit for a sports bra. I told you to go get fit for shoes. Well, you can get fit for a sports bra as well, and I really, really recommend it. They come in all different styles. You know, maybe it zips in the front, maybe you pull it over your head. There are all different styles out there, and you can find one that's right for you. When I used to own a running store, I would have women come into the store and say, I can't find a sports bra, I have to wear 2 of them. Nobody should have to wear 2 bras. If you get fit for the right sports bra, I guarantee you, you only need to wear 1 sports bra. They do wear out, just like your clothes, they will wear out. And especially for sports bras, they're going to lose their support. And so it's important that a sports bra never celebrates a birthday, okay? So you don't want to keep it for over a year. And let's see. I think that's what I wanted to say about apparel. Again, if you have any questions, I'd love to answer them. And just drop them in the comments below. And have a great rest day, whatever you decide to do. And I will see you tomorrow, Saturday, for our bump up run. And I'll give you a heads up, we're doing 6 intervals, okay? So we've done, last week we did 4, and on Saturday we did 5. This week we've done 4, and on this Saturday we're gonna do 6, all right? So 6 times 4, that's a 24-minute workout. So get ready, guys. I'll see you then.
All right, all right, all right. You guys are doing fantastic, really. I mean, this is day 12, so I just want to say congratulations, and we'll see you in day 13 tomorrow. So keep pushing the button, and we'll keep seeing you. See you later, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.